this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Westfield, New Jersey, just completing a splash panel. This is a custom splash panel for a tub in brushed nickel hardware. And again, it's all custom, so the height we matched up to a ground line. The width we matched up so that we make sure we don't hit that toilet, okay? And no handle on this. The client wanted a nice frameless look with as little hardware visible as possible, and that's what we accommodated for. So when it comes to the splash panels, you do not need a handle. The only time you need a handle is when you have another wall or a stationary panel on the side, because of course if the door is closed, you can't necessarily grab the edge when there's something on the other next to it. So it would just be silly, ridiculous, right? But here you can just grab the edge of the door, no problem. So the cool thing about the splash panel is you can just open her up, still have full access to the tub without any hindrance or without any gap spacing or anything like that. So the most common question I get for our splash panels or any splash panel is, what about this space? Well, you got to keep in mind, the splash panel is mainly to catch the brute force of of water when you're showering, because most of the time when you do take a shower, you're closest to the controls anyway. But there will be some water splashing out over here, and that's just the nature of it. But as far as looks wise, the splash panel looks amazing. It looks modern, and it's definitely efficient as far as pricing is concerned. And I mean, it's a simple look and it looks great. So if you have any questions about this design or need a frameless shower enclosure, please feel free to give me a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.